Hey, Cash Course fans! Before we start the show, remember that you can get hundreds of free educational videos for all ages at PragerUkids.com. Subscribe today and never miss an episode. Once upon a time, medieval knights were known for their loyalty to kings and lords, but they didn't fight for free. Some knights with a free lance fought for whoever paid them the most. Today's freelancers, better known as independent contractors, don't ride into battle. They work short-term jobs like writing music, delivering food, or acting in a Renaissance fair. This working style comes with unique benefits, and it's different from being an employee for one company. But there's a big difference when it comes to
No.
taxes.
No!
Specific laws determine who can be considered an independent contractor or an employee. If you earn a regular salary for a company and work a regular schedule, you're considered an employee. If you're paid by a company for doing a specific job for a short period of time, you're usually considered an independent contractor. In 2022, 36% of the American workforce earn money as independent contractors, freelancers, and gig workers. They include people who make videos, tutor students, or design websites. That's just a few ways to earn money with more flexibility without the 9 to 5 hours of being an employee.
As long as I deliver what my clients need on time, I get to make my own schedule. It's great being in charge.
And paying business expenses, insurance, and taxes like you're in charge.
Oh, that's right. How does that work again?
Let's break it down. If you're an employee, your employer will give you a wage and tax statement, or a W-2 for short, when you file your taxes. But if you're an independent contractor, you're not an employee, so you'll receive a 1099 form from clients who paid you more than $600 in a year.
What's the difference?
If you're a regular employee, your W-2 will show you how much your company paid you and the taxes they withheld from your paycheck. A 1099, on the other hand, will only indicate how much you earned from a client, and there won't be any taxes withheld. As an independent contractor, you're essentially your own business, which means that you're responsible for paying all the taxes from the money you made.
So, what taxes will I owe?
First, all workers pay income tax. They also pay taxes for Social Security and Medicare. For an employee, this is called payroll tax, and the employee and the company each pay half. But if you're a freelancer, you're both company and employee, so you'll pay the full share. This is called self-employment tax. In 2023, the self-employment tax rate was 15.3%, so make sure you plan ahead.
Squire, bring me my 1099 papers.
That's a lot of 1099s!
Thanks, but what am I looking at?
Let's read it. The non-numbered boxes on the left show your client's information and yours. You'll probably recognize your TIN, or Taxpayer Identification Number, which is usually your Social Security number, under Recipient's TIN.
But how much did I make?
That's in Box 1, under Non-Employee Compensation. Box 2 is for freelancers that receive products to resell. If your client withheld any state or federal income taxes, you'll see that in Boxes 4, 5, 6, and 7.
So far, not bad.
Make sure to check every 1099 against your own personal records of what you've earned. If something doesn't add up, let the business who sent it know right away. When you're filing taxes, you want everything to be accurate.
My forms stand ready.
Don't forget your deductions.
My what now?
This will cheer you up. When you're self-employed, you can deduct some of the things you bought for your business to reduce your taxable income. These deductions are called business expenses, and they can really add up.
Business expenses? Do tell.
Remember, there's no company to buy you that new instrument. That's all on you. Or if you're traveling for a job, you'll pay for things like supplies and meals, all tax deductible, even your mileage. So if you want to deduct something to reduce your taxes, hang on to that receipt.
Huzzah! I'm going to deduct things like mad. My sword, my armor, and this turkey leg?
Whoa! Hold your horses. There are a few more steps to ensure you're on track for your taxes. Step 1. Keep track of everything you earn and spend. When a client pays you or when you have a business expense, keep a record. You'll want accurate records to compare to the 1099s you receive. Step 2. Plan for what you may owe. A good rule of thumb is to save 25 to 30% of what you earn for taxes. There are also online calculators that can help you know how much you should save. Step 3. Check with a tax specialist in your state. Filing taxes as an independent contractor can be more tricky than filing them as an employee. A specialist can help you file your taxes and even help you get some of your money back. Before you make your next delivery or write your next song, remember that while working as a freelancer can offer more flexibility, it also comes with its own responsibilities. This includes not just paying for things like insurance and other business expenses, but also your own taxes. Doing it the right way will help you ensure that you win with your time and your money.
Splendid! Now back to my glorious quest!
Watch more at PragerUkids.com. And parents, don't forget to subscribe.